Na kabenta ki khubor baman kasni page but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kini gilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Unong jung kai perthai na Delhi habakran shaki tanat pathai khubor menta kasni ulo ong bola yero yaki page ba ka Meghalaya. Halor ka jinglong ba karpang jungki ka jingsbun ba ka jing itanat jangani kathan. Utai unong jung kai perthai ubrang shen ubala penlut por ladon kumbasan sngi hasora banijngo yaki lum kithem bat gishnong ki berreus pa haka culture jongga jela ba shatei lamingi. Ulapen pau yaki jing sngongo ka bakrau yaki nong shong shnong ngala sngo ba ngala shngan ba hasora bat u ongru ba ki shatyat kai haka por khat RBGAA shaki surok shnong rei omdan nong penthut ne pinwit yangi. Ong unong jung kai perthai shu ru ula ong ba ki national media kim dei ban pinmi yaki khubor lada pimyo yagajing shisha.
We didn't feel like this. The news and the whole country is defaming the Meghalaya, but it is nothing like this.
Is there any good hospitality? What about the hospitality of the people?
Right. Very good hospital. Very excellent.
Yeah. What kind of memory you want to take from this place when you are here?
I just request to all those persons who are tarnishing the image of Meghalaya that whatever the incident has happened here, it's all about her past, and all his past is responsible for that. And Meghalaya persons are very, very excellent, and they are very cooperative. And we are here for last 5 days. They are just their hospitality is kind of very non-parallel.
You're from where, sir?
Delhi.
Delhi. Okay.
So what do you have to say to the national media on all those fake headlines that they've been given?
Before verifying the news, they should not play these on national media. I want to say that. And Meghalaya persons, all tribals, all persons are there, are very beautiful and very beautiful nature.
Okay, thank you very much.
Persons are very beautiful, very supportive, and the beauty here and the persons, their hospitality is non-parallel. And please don't blame these people for this incident. This lady has her own past, and the whole incident is just because of that. And these persons are innocent and they are very beautiful. Thank you.
Yeah, we are staying last 5 days here.
Okay.
But we didn't feel like what the media is showing right now. We feel very safe, and we are roaming at night at 12 o'clock, and we didn't feel like this. Just the media.
The Meghalaya is completely safe. Whatever the memories we made, whatever the memories we have collected from here, we can't put that into the words. This is completely helpful. All people of the Meghalaya are very helpful, very kind. The nature of the Meghalaya is very beautiful.
What is your message to the national media?
Please stop showing these videos without
verifying the news.
Without verifying the facts.
And without evidence, you can't blame these people. And we are advocates also.
We are practicing Delhi High Court.
Okay.
It is a completely matter of a police, and it's completely trial. Whatever is deciding in this case is decided by the honorable court, honorable judges.
But one thing is already decided. In this whole matter, these people are innocent, and only the national media, or kind of say that unverified facts, they are just tarnishing their image. So please stop these fake news.
Thank you.